Hi, this is Kathy, and this is the second video that I'm doing regarding Peter's unbelievably incredible new creation, the Creationist Miracle Arca Archa Box XL. Oh, wow. So I've put it in my bedroom, and I just kind of look at it every once in a while, and it exudes authority, power, like don't mess with me kind of energy. And my room is, when I look at my room, the inside is purple. So that is very, very cool. I still have the first intention, which was abundance, and I'll just give you a little update on that. I have been finding coins. I found a silver dollar stuck in a chair in my office. I found quarters, nickels, dimes on the street. It's just kind of interesting, to follow. I'm also meeting more friends, so abundance in that area. And I thought today I would just like to put some more intentions into the box and have some fun. So I will open it up. I just have to look. I just have to look at this again. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. This is the inside of the lid. Ah, crazy, crazy. Love it. Okay. And so now it's time to drop some intentions. I am thriving financially. I don't want to tell you what that one's about, but it's about a company, that I want the result to be on my end. Here's another company that I want the result to work out for me. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, sometimes I'll just put thoughts in. Like this is a family thought that I want to put in. And this is another family member that I want to put some thoughts in. And then I was kind of wondering, like, wouldn't it be kind of cool just to sit for a moment and verbally ask or tell the creationist Archa Archa Box, thank you. It's just amazing having you in my life already. Um, I really honor the um, the energies that are coming together to help me towards my goals, my aspirations, my life. So this is just a quick update to show you like what I'm working on, and we'll see what happens. So thank you, thank you, thank you.